coming in hot, boys. Oh, this is well, we gotta struggle. We gotta struggle. This lawnmower, right? All this thing wants to do is turn right. It cannot cut in a straight line. This is NASCAR inspired. This lawnmower is like a wild horse. We gotta tame it. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of Pat Taste Performance. Today in the driveway. How about this? This person wanted me to fix this lawnmower, and I said no. So, somebody punished me, and the guy put it up for sale, and guess who bought it? So now I do have to fix it. Today in the driveway, we have the Craftsman Professional Series 28-inch 223 cc My Stride, which is MTD Craftsman's take on personal use. This is their response to the infamous, problematic Toro Time Master that we all know that I have and love. Customer states mower will not go straight nor cut straight. Customer states. My son is a mechanic and he fixed it, and the problem is happening again. So if he's a mechanic, why does he fix it again? Did he not do it right the first time? And that's why it's here? Or did he fix it right and he screwed it up again? So, anyway, I took a quick gander at the lawnmower for him, and I realized the issue. And he said, can you just, and I says, nope. Nope. We're gonna fix it right the first time. And if you screw it up, that's on you, not me. I don't want to hear this. I'm already married. I don't want to come back again. So let's take a look at these repairs that were done. Let's do lawnmower yoga. And here we go. We'll do a little bit. We have to get the full view. So we are in the semi sort of service position. We can make a couple of observations. That's not factory. That's hackery. That's loose, like someone tried to do it again, didn't work. More hackery, loose. More heck, broken. So they kibosh this thing. Now, if you can look, this is bent. What does the eagle eye say? Bent or not bent? Obviously, this lawnmower is used and abused, and this thing has been neglected. The son, whether it's his call or not, or could be the father's, they did not repair it right the first time. What they did is potentially try to bang, snap, crackle, pop, bend back this axle to make it go straight, and either it failed horribly or miserably, and they want to get it fixed or have a better eye on them. Here's the deal. I'm not going to try and sit there and say this is a great lawnmower or whatever, but there's only so many times you could bang, hit, smack, manipulate metal before it's forever changed and it will never go back to the way it was. Now, since this mower is for resale, we got a new cover because the other one is broken. Number 2. We got a new axle for it. Believe it or not, guys, when it comes to certain machines, just like this one, you really don't have many choices to get parts. So to the manufacturer, it is, in this case, straight from MTD. This was the most economic option right from the dealer. How many times or how many places can you say that straight from the dealer is cheaper than any place else? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to swap this axle, put on the new cover, and send it. Sounds like a plan? Get it, got it, good. Okay, so the new cover is going to slide right in, right, just like the old one. Oh, and this, okay, because I took this whole piece off. That's right. This side was broken. Okay, now we're in there. This clips in. And then we're just going to put this back in the way we had it. There we go. Now, you should be putting some sort of anti-seize or grease on these bolts. I am not, because it's not in the budget. All right, so let's get these bolts back in. So this is a washer that they had on the broken side. We're gonna see if it can cover this right here, which it does. So thank you, thank you. That's good. It's not going to tighten down because we have this bolt. I'm actually going to take this one out and see if I have something similar in my stash. So we have 3 points of contact. And you know, the new axle is this side with the stud. That's right, stud. Will go right in. Boom, boom. We'll take that. Let's get our bolt that they graciously left in my pile. In my pile. Okay, let's hook this up here. Hopefully there is like no secret washer or something. That is not a 10. Now guys, I don't understand why they just didn't want to fix it right the first time. Because this is pretty simple, this is pretty straightforward repair. I have a feeling that they spent quite some time each time that they went to repair this. Now time is money. So you have the initial screw up, the investigation, heating and beating or striking, running to the hardware store to get those crazy bolts. I mean, at this point you're better off spending, you don't even need to get the cover. I got the cover because I can't sell it like that. I mean, I can, but I won't. Uh-oh. Black screw on a black driveway. Why couldn't it just fall in this truck? Shit. Alright, I have found the missing bolt. By the grace of God, I didn't lose it or take all day. Boom. Now obviously this is resale. I'm not gonna bore you guys with any of this, but I'm gonna have to clean this thing up, sharpen the blades, and service it, because that's what we do. Now caveat here, if one of you guys here are Toro Time Master owner, okay, believe it or not, I bought one of these lawnmowers and I swapped the motor off this lawnmower onto mine, and I bolted the 190cc onto this, and I swapped the 220 onto my Time Master. And the electric start and all that stuff bolted up. It was already set up for electric start. The block had the holes to accept the electric start. The only thing I had to do, here I'll show you, is right here. Some of you guys have been bugging me about how I did it. This right here, I had to notch my frame and I put a plug in here. And the way I drain oil is like any place else. I pull off the top and we are good to go. So the last thing to, I guess, kind of address is, listen, this cable is very expensive. It's like 50, 60 bucks for this cable. I know. And okay, this needs to be tightened, that's why. All right, and they said that this cable that they got was the wrong one, because, so they put this clamp on here. Now, I want to see something, because this cable, when you push down on the mower, it releases. Let's get this straight. Alright, this is the style winch pin you need to install, not the one I showed you, because it was wrong. This angle make my booty look good. Speaking of good looking booties, we'd like to thank today's sponsor of this video, Mrs. Pate's Performance. If you guys would like to keep her busy, support the channel, we do sell a plethora of parts and goodies, and she handles all of that, so you keep her busy, get a nice little sweet little message of hers, and everybody is happy. Get some good quality parts that you see that we use here on the channel. Unfortunately for this video, there is nothing that applies to this lawnmower that we sell, but just in general, keep it in mind. Don't you worry. We are looking for a logo company to design a logo for us, and then from there we will create our own website and sell other stuff like merch. Rome was not built in a day. We are still struggling to find a design company. Once that happens, then we will progress. So let's verify the repair. And now that we've taken out the slack, that feels a lot better. I mean, I could even feel this, and I'm sure, oh yeah, we could, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh, come on, start. Don't do this to me. You filthy animal. The only thing I can think of is, the next step is they could have routed this cable wrong.